Uncle Mark, again, how are you guys doing? Just scouting old cars. Ran across something else on my little drive today. I think it's a Pontiac. Take a look. Whoa. Oh, free blanket. Gotta be careful where I'm walking here. This is a fence. Yeah, it looks like about a 56 Pontiac. Something beside it too. Yeah. And a Mercury steering wheel, that's cool. Seen better days, unfortunately. Somebody smashed the gauges out of it. I doubt they parked it like that. No mileage there? I don't think so. Got some stuff. Still, there's an engine. Whatever engine they would have had back then. Got 283 or something. If that's what they had or not. Cool. Pontiac. Yeah, that quarter panel doesn't look bad, huh? Yeah, those were the days. Well, that's the old Pontiac. Pretty neat. Two-door would be nicer. I've seen guys that cut them into two-doors. They'll do a nice job. Especially if they're my coffee cup rolling around. Especially if they're not a hard top, you can do a little more work throwing them together. They do a nice job. Most guys probably wouldn't be able to tell when they're done. If you like the video, give me the thumbs up. You can subscribe down at the bottom here. Hopefully the link is working. And I'll see, maybe I'll put up here somewhere a link to some of my other old car videos if you like old cars. Otherwise, we're usually fixing stuff up, like the old Buick that I'm driving right now, 96, or something else. Take care. Hopefully your family and you are well. Till next time. Thanks for joining us. So if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.